Hey everybody, welcome to CRNT Designers. This is Chetan and this is the new series of design sketching. I am out of the town and I don't have my PC, my system with me, so I decided to learn the concept 2D so I can continue my learning process and I want to share these things with you. I am pretty familiar with the concept designs because I have done the AutoCAD mechanical and I was preparing for the transportational design. So that's why my interest is in a hard surface. Design is a very important aspect, and if you want to become a good CG artist you should have the knowledge of design. There are all other different aspects also which you need to learn if you want to become a good CG artist. So this is something new I have started and you will get these concept 2D tutorials also. I hope you will like this design sketching tutorials. So thanks for watching and enjoy these tutorials.